session, we will learn that how to work with PowerPoint applications and its uses. So, first we have to go through Start, Program, MS Office and PowerPoint. This is the PowerPoint environment. Before going to PowerPoint environment, we have to know that what is meant by PowerPoint. PowerPoint is nothing but a presentation software. We can also call it as a presentation graphic software. We have to show the presentations through slides. For example, if you want to give speech in a classroom or in meetings, and if we want to explain our thoughts clearly and simply, then we have to prepare PowerPoint slides or PowerPoint presentations. We can show the presentations directly through monitor or projector by attaching it to the computer. The extension for PowerPoint files is PPTX. If we want to create presentation, then it should be in simple form. When we are giving speech in detail, then we have to show its related presentations either in the form of graph or tables or text. So, we have to prepare simple presentations through slides, and for that slides, we can set attractive themes, color settings or graphics. And this environment is similar to the MS Word and Excel environment. Here we can see title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon. In ribbon we have tabs, and in each tab we can see groups with different types of options. And this is the slide. We have slides with different types of themes and layouts. Now we can see the slide with title and subtitle. With the help of this option, we can also add new slide. For example, we can give title and subtitle like this. If we want to give another slide in this presentation, then we have to select the option New Slide. And here we can select different types of layouts. This is one slide and this is another slide. This is the navigation window that will show the slides which we added. When we click on Outline, then we can see the outline of the slide. And in Slide Shows, we can see slides. And here we can type notes for the slide. For every slide, we can prepare notes. So, this is the starting environment and it is status bar.